Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE RedMagic 6R and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom in order to find advanced settings. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can or cannot customize, because as you can see we cannot tap on set date or time or the time zone. It is because we are using the network provided time and time zone, so they are just taken from the, let's say, internet. It's a colloquialism, of course. So in order to actually be able to set the date, we have to first of all turn off both of those options. And now we can simply tap on set date and just by swiping pick the date we want to use, tap on OK. The same situation with the time. Here we've got the hours and the minutes, tap on OK, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, of course also on the status bar. Here we've got the time zone, we can simply tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the list of available regions from which we can choose. So just let me pick this one. And as you can see again, it will be immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can also decide what kind of clock format you want to use. So currently we've got 12-hour format. If you want the 24-hour, just tap on the switcher here and of course turn it off the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time in your device, and of course you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers. So actually that's all. This is how to change, how to customize the date and time in your ZTE RedMagic 6R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.